Miss Deuce says it's coffee time. Hey, come here. Alright, we took a few days off of working on the Runaway to put a new floor in the basement. So me and Deuce got to be helpers while Trish did all the crazy cuts and knocked it out. Still got the other half to do over here. We'll do that side another day. You guys watch the video and I'll clean the garage and then we'll work on the Runaway. It's all empty and scary. And you swing over here. Like, oh good God, there's stuff everywhere. Cutting and measuring and cutting and cussing.
No cussing.
Yes, oh okay, no cussing.
This is the fun part.
Fun parts. Floor vinyl or upholstery vinyl. Seems like we're just doing nothing but vinyl lately.
It's cheap.
What do you think? Is it a good floor?
Is this better? It's much better. Yeah.
Barney blood. Alright, we have the before. And you have the after. Alright, the garage is clean. You guys done watching the video? Alright, let's get right started on the Runaway. Sunshine, a little snow, and a Runaway. Let's climb in. Get to work. See how these walls are. Alright, front ones look good. Alright, so this one bowed out a little bit. We had to cut some reliefs. So, and we had one place that didn't stick. So we'll get those stuck and then we'll work on this side. Alright, now we're going to try to get the roof done. See how that goes. Could be interesting. Alright, ceiling's done. It's braced up. Don't pick on my braces. I just used what I had. Captain Deuce told me to. Alright, let's knock out these blue trims while we got a little time today. Oh, there's that one. That should be it for today. Get up here. Come on, get up here. Tell them bye. You see, they're over there. You gotta say, see you later. Not me. Talk to them. Say bye. See you later. Thanks for helping. Till next week.